Yar. Hello everybody, how are you? This is Captain Blue here, and this is our very first lesson about Blender. Now, Blender is a 3D application. What that means is it's used to create 3D models and assets like you might find in video games, which can be anything: tables, chairs, people, cars, buildings, spaceships, you name it. Blender is also used for animating, which means to move things around, like in films like Toy Story and things like that, where you see all the toys move around. That's animation. And Blender is also used for things like rendering, which is, if you look up here at this picture of this girl with the spanner, rendering is the way of making your model look good. Okay? There's a bit more to it than that, but this is the very basics. Now, Blender's been going for quite a while now, and at the time that I'm recording this, we're at 2.81a. So it's been going on for a very long time. But now is a good time as any to learn it. Partly because it's free, and partly because a lot of people already use it. So if you're interested in game development, it's a good application to use because it's very well supported. Now, to download it, all you have to do is go to blender.org and download Blender by clicking on this button. Your file will download. If I just click, you'll see. Let me see, I want to just click download Blender for Windows for me, but if you have one of these, you can just install them. Okay, so I'm going to click there. Okay, and there it is down here. Now, I've already got it installed, but for you, when this is installed, all you need to do is click on it, click yes, because it'll ask you if you want to install it, and then you can just, I'll just close this part down. You can just start using it straight away. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so hopefully you found that a little bit useful. I know it's not really explaining loads about what Blender is, but let's just say it's very useful. You're going to be able to make things to go inside games using it. It's not easy, but you know, spending some time learning things is always good. It's good for our brains, it's good for keeping us, you know, occupied and learning new things. And if you're really interested in game development, 3D game development, this is really what you should be using. Okay, I am going to go off and do something else, get the next tutorial ready. So, I shall see you in the next part, and until then, goodbye for now. Yar.